Hey guys, welcome to another wonderful spiritual tip. My name is Gideon and I share spiritual tip here in this channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Okay, please make sure that before you leave this channel, you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like my teaching, and God will bless you for doing so. Okay, in today's video, I want to teach you guys how to do coconut cleansing. Okay, that will bring favor, good luck, and open doors into your life. Okay, if things have not been working for you in life, you need to do this cleansing. Okay, after doing this cleansing, you will see the changes. Your life will change for good. Okay, so make sure you watch the video to the end and you will learn how to do that. Welcome back. God has made everything available for us to use to solve our problem, both spiritual problem and physical problem. Okay, but the issue that we have is that we don't know how to use these items to solve our problems. Okay, but in this video, I want to share with you how you can use coconuts to solve the problem of not getting favor, not having good luck, not getting financial open doors. Okay, because these are the problem a lot of people have been facing. A lot of people have been facing this problem. Okay, and they don't know that they can use coconuts to solve this problem. That is why I'm making this video, to teach you how you can use coconut to solve this problem. Okay, so make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay, now for you to solve this problem, you need to go and buy a coconut. Okay, you need to go and buy coconut. One, now when you buy this coconut, you need to believe in what you are doing. Okay, faith is very, very important when it comes to spiritual assignment. Anything that has to do with spiritual, you need to apply faith. Okay, because the Bible says that without faith it is impossible for you to see God. Okay, you need to apply faith and you need to believe that what you are doing will work for you. Okay, that is faith, and you need to believe that God will answer your prayer. Okay, so now when you go to your coconuts, if you're a man or a woman, you can do this. Just get your coconut, break that coconut. Okay, break it from the head. Okay, break it from the head. Now when you break it from the head, get something like bucket or a bowl to pour in that water of that coconut inside. Okay, now use that water of that coconut to wash your face every first Monday of the week. Okay, every first Monday of the week, like every Monday in a week, every Monday in a week. Okay, use coconut water and wash your face every Monday in a week. It can be in the morning, it can be in the afternoon, it can be in the night, but make sure it is every first Monday in a week. Okay, that's every Monday in a week. That's what I mean. Okay, in a month you're going to do it 4 times. Okay, in a month you're going to do it 4 times, because we have up to four Mondays in a month. Okay, so you use that coconut and be washing your face. If you have not been attracting favor, if you have not been getting good luck, use it and be washing your face. Now if you're a man and you like sleeping around, like you have been sleeping around with so many people and this has caused you hardship in life, because a lot of women, I'm sorry to say this, some women have bad energy, that when you have something to do with them, that is when you start having problems. That is when your ways will start blocking. That is when you start experiencing hardship. Okay, so if you're a man and you have slept with such women and you are experiencing hardship and difficulties in life, also get your coconut. Okay, use it and be betting yourself by 12 o'clock in the midnight. You'll be adding it inside your betting water. Okay, coconut water, add it inside your betting water, use it and be betting yourself in the midnight. As you are betting yourself, be praying also. Okay, be praying for forgiveness and be praying for God to open your ways. Okay, 12 o'clock in the midnight. Okay, now as a woman, after seeing your monthly flow, also get coconut water. Okay, add it inside your betting water, use it and be betting yourself. Okay, use it and be betting yourself for you to be pure and clean, to attract good things that will be coming into your life. Okay, these are the things that you can use coconut water to do for yourself, and you start receiving favor, good luck, financial open doors, because a lot of things can be blocking your way spiritually that you don't know. Okay, but if you learn how to use this coconut to do this cleansing, it will help you to be pure, for you to be able to receive all these good things that will be coming your way. Okay, So that is what you can do with coconut water. If you have any question that you want to ask about this video, if you do not understand any part of this video, you are free to make use of the comment section to ask your question and I'll reply you. Okay, I'll guide you more on what I say. And if you have not subscribed, please make sure that before you leave this channel, you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like my teaching. And God will surely bless you and your household for doing that. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.